Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on an illustration project and creating a design called Monthly Favourites. This illustration is based around a group of objects that represent your favourite things from a given month. This is a lovely way to document various memories and pull them together to create a finished design. It's also completely customisable. You can include anything you like. Events, trips you've taken, clothes, food you've enjoyed, a new purchase, a TV show or movie. The idea is to bring together a group of elements that really celebrates that month and the things you enjoyed. They can be milestones like a wedding or a graduation, or they can be really simple like a new scarf you bought or a recipe you tried for the first time. Sometimes it's so easy to forget all the little things that we enjoyed in the moment, and this is a really visual way of recording these small parts of our lives. I've been using a monthly favourites page in my sketchbook to document some of the things that I've been enjoying over the last year, and it's a perfect way for me to preserve memories, and I can look back through the year and see what I was into at a certain point or what I was liking. I could have just made a list in my journal, but as an illustrator I love having this visual, and this project is also a great chance to practice and exercise your drawing skills. So even if you're not someone who draws a lot, then doodling some simple objects and putting together this illustration will hopefully be a fun and rewarding exercise. In the class I'm going to take you through my whole process, starting with brainstorming ideas and coming up with the objects to use in the design, and I'll also cover how I approach representing more complex ideas like an event in object form. I'll also talk about layout, flow and the design of the illustration, and then we'll move on to sketching, inking and giving the illustration a wash of colour with watercolours. I'll share my decision-making process and give you some hopefully helpful tips and tricks along the way. Your project for this class is to create your own monthly favourites illustration and post a picture of your design to the student gallery. There you can also get feedback and ask any questions you may have. By the end of this class you'll have your own monthly favourites illustration that you can look back on for years to come. So now let's get started.